Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to download and install Tekken 8 on PC. First off, you need to open your Steam launcher. After opening the launcher, type Tekken 8 in the search bar located at the top of the screen. Click on Tekken 8. Click on Add to Cart. Then View My Cart. Then continue to payment. You will be redirected to the checkout page. Select your preferred payment method, then click Continue. Fill up the necessary details for this transaction, then finish it. Wait for a while for the app to finish the transaction. Theoretically, after purchasing the game, go to your library. Click on Tekken 8. Click on Install. Browse to select a folder to use. Make sure you have at least 95 gigabytes free in your storage. Then click Install. Wait for the download to finish. It may take a couple of minutes to hours depending on your internet speed. And there you go. That is how to download and install Tekken 8 in your PC. Thank you for watching.